hope you all are good. My name is Shweta, certified Guru Phonics teacher. Let's get into topic. We have already learned for 26 alphabet sounds in secondary class. But in Guru Phonics, there are 42 main sounds of English are taught, not just the alphabet. The sounds are in 7 groups. In some sounds are written with 2 letters, such as EE, OR. These are called digraphs. Note here, OO and TH can make 2 different sounds, as moon, that, and tree, book, like that. To distinguish between the 2 sounds, these digraphs are represented in 2 parts. This is shown here. Let's learn 42 sounds. Yes. Yes sound is sa. Sa, sunflower. A sound is a. A, apple. T sound is ta. Ta, tiger. I sound is E. E, ink. P sound is pa, pad. N sound is na, nib. CK sound is ka, duck. The arka, duck. DUCK, duck. E sound is A, egg. H sound is ha, helmet. R sound is ra, robot. M sound is ma, monkey. D sound is da, dog. G sound is g, girl. O sound is o, orange. U sound is a, umbrella. L sound is la, lion. F sound is fa, fan. B sound is ba, bag. A sound is A, train. Train, train. TRAIN, train. Next, J sound is ja, jeep. OA sound is O, soap. Saopa, soap. SOAP, soap. IE sound is I, tie. TIE, tie. E sound is E, sweep. Sweep, sweep. SWEEP, sweep. O sound is O, horse, horse. HORSE, horse. Z sound is za, zip. W sound is wa, watch. NG sound is ring. Ring, ring. RING, ring. V sound is va, violet. O, here short O is. O sound is U. Bauka, book. BOOK, book. O, here long O. Long O sound is U. Spoon, spoon. SPOON, spoon. Y sound is ya, yummy. X sound is xa, xylophone. CH sound is cha, chess. CHESS, chess. Cha yesa, chess. SH sound is sha. For Isha, fish. FISH, fish. TH. Here TH is voiced. So TH sound is the, there. TH. Next TH. TH is unvoiced. So TH sound is tha, thumb. QU sound is qua, quiet. OA sound is ow, pouch. Oucha, pouch. POUCH, pouch. OI sound is I, oil. OIL, oil. UE sound is U, glue. GLUE, glue. ER sound is hammer. HAMMER, hammer. Hammer. AR sound is car. CAR, car. Car. Let's learn with flashcards. Children, you say what is the sound of CH? Very
Cha.
good. Cha. Cha. CH sound is cha. Cha in a chin. Cha opa, chop. Say what is the sound of SH?
Sha.
Sha. Sha ela, shell. Sha eda, shell. Very good. Next. TH is voiced here. The. Here sound, TH sound is the. The ema, them. Ma or the mother. Here TH is unvoiced. Unvoiced means TH sound is tha. Tha inga, thing. Ba ata, bath. OA sound is O. Ga ota, goat. Sa opa, so. AI sound is A. Tra ena, train. Ra ena, rain. Sound of I. I sound is E. Very good. Inka, ink. INK, ink. Igloo, igloo. IGLOO, igloo. T sound is ta. Ta. Ta in a tin. Ta in a ten. IE sound is I. Pa I, pie. Ta I, tie. What is the sound of E?
E.
E. Very good. B, E, B. S, E,
C.
Like my video, please like, subscribe and share.